Hello, and welcome to the InfoZoom video series. My name is Stephen Pesklo. I am president of SoftLake Solutions, and today we'd like to talk about joining files, which can come from any source, either text files or data files or anywhere that you have data. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to show you today about joining multiple different files. We also have the ability to do linking as well as appending. I'll be covering these in other videos. The process is really quite straightforward. What you do is you just import multiple files, again from multiple systems, multiple databases, or text files. You make certain that the attribute is named the same, and I'll show you that. And then you really just go ahead and say select and then join. So in InfoZoom, what you do is you first bring in multiple files, like I say, a text file, Excel, any sort of database file. And then what I like to do is I like to view them side by side. So if you go under View and then Tile vertically, so once you have the two files in InfoZoom, in memory, you can go ahead and tile vertically. And then what you do then is you just go ahead and select the different fields that you want to do. So here I have a customer key. You can see what that looks like. It's basically a sequential key number here. And what I do is I just select this key, and then I go under Data, and then Join. Now, one thing to keep in mind is that these attribute names have to be the same name. So here's customer key, here's customer key. If they're not the same name, you can go ahead and just change them here, and then hit that little green button. But they have to be the same name. That's the only kind of, I guess, precaution or thing to look for. So again, you just select it here, you go under Data, under Join, and then it's going to give you a confirmation dialog or window, which says, you want to make certain to get it from the customer info table. Now, what it's going to do, it's going to happen kind of quickly, but it's going to bring all of this data, and it's going to bring it under this customer key. And I'll show you what that looks like. So here's customer info. I say OK. And you can see it's using the customer key, it's using the customer info, the name of this file, and then it brought in all your data all the way down to business units. And you can see over here, this is where this ends. So then this is all your data then all together. And then expand this out, and you can then change things, you can move it. It's all in memory, so it's all now all one big file. Again, these can be two different types of technologies. This could be an Excel spreadsheet. This could be an Access database. InfoZoom uses in-memory technology to do all this joining together. So if you have any questions, please let us know. We'd love to help. We specialize specifically in audit, privacy and compliance, investigations, and subscribe to our YouTube video to get the latest YouTubes. Thanks.